Today we are talking about the greater Phoenix, Arizona real estate market. And of course, what is on everyone's mind right now is the interest rates. The 30-year fixed mortgages today just hit 7.3%, which is the highest it has been in decades. So what's that doing to the overall market? Well, inventory is definitely up over the past 2 years, but let's put that a little bit into perspective. Here's these upper lines are 2006, 7, and 8, and here we are down here. So we really haven't gone up to that crash or those crash levels which we saw back then. The new listing activity is actually down, and this is partially because of rates. Sellers really can't move because if you've locked in that rate just 8 months back of 3%, jumping into a 7% note is just, that house has to be perfect. So we're seeing a lot, or we are not seeing many new listings coming on. So that's keeping that inventory down. And we're also seeing cancellations up. The last few weeks, we've actually seen up to 500 homes on MLS just completely cancel out. And here we are. So if we look at the overall market, the average price per square foot, we've come down about 8.8% since the very top in May. But year over year, home values are still up over 6%, and 2 years over 30%. So homeowners right now who have been in their home for any length of time have a lot of equity sitting there. And then to kind of wrap up, I wanted this whole buyer's market, the entire valley, except for a couple spots, have entered into this buyer's market. However, I think we all recall this 2005 to 2008 crash where we had this huge buyer's market and the demand was very low and the supply was very high. You kind of forget that in 2010 and 2011 we hit a balanced market, kind of slipped into that buyer zone. Same with 2014. And right now we are in somewhat of a balanced buyer's market, a little more towards the buyer side, but we really haven't seen this huge increase in homes. And once again, that's because sellers right now, our homeowners, don't want to be sellers because they don't want to trade in their great rate. And two, buyers are starting to come out, face the interest rates, and get the very best deal that they can because there are some deals out there right now. So this is a very broad look. If you have questions about your neighborhood and specific circumstances, please feel free to reach out. I'm John Schlotz with HomeSmart, Associate Broker, 602-570-5905. Thanks.